down.
Didn't get a proper intro. These are the elevators at the Residence Inn, Tampa Westshore, near the airport in Tampa, Florida. They're renovating, and that one says it's out of order, but it actually works. I've seen people, someone tried to get off it, they're just redoing the cab. Here's the hallway. Here's a map. You can see there is a service elevator over here. But anyway, these are just Kone elevators that have Innovation Universal. So really nothing too fancy. So I think we're just gonna ride them back down and end the video there. There's an elevator equipment room right here on the 8th floor. We got it right here.
Going down.
Here's your certificate. This is elevator 1, 2,500 pound capacity. We're gonna get a cab use since we're probably gonna stop because this is the only working elevator for hotel guests.
First floor. Going up.
Yeah, literally right there. Anyway, that'll be it.